Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to my life looking around some of the UK's best car shows and car meetings, from Japanese shows, British muscle cars and everything in between. Throughout this series on Turtle Wax you'll see everything that the UK has to offer, so don't forget to subscribe to keep an update on all the videos I will be posting and all of the meets that I go to, and check out turtlewax.com for all the products that I mention in these videos. But for now, enjoy! Take a look at that bonnet, clean engine bays and sticker bombing, lots of turbo sounds, resto modding their cars and even a couple of proper dragsters. It's a generally lovely atmosphere. So today I'm heading to a supercar show and I'm going to try and bring my 350Z, but it's a little bit dirty at the moment because I have been driving it around for quite a lot, but I'm going to try and get in. It's the Goodwood Peter Sale International Supercar Charity Track Day, so kids can pay to get a ride in the car, all for charity, around the Goodwood Motor Circuit. So it's for a great cause and hopefully the weather holds, because it has been pouring with rain for another reason that I need to clean this car. So I could really do with snow foam in the car, so I've got the Turtle Wax hybrid snow foam to test out on the car. And after cleaning it, of course, I'm using the Dry and Shine rinse wax, which is ideal for giving a bit of beading once the car has been cleaned. And to conclude, the Wet and Black tyre gel, which I love, a great finishing product for the tyres, makes them look really rich and black and not brown like they've collected a ton of dirt. So this is probably one of my favourite products to use on my car. And I am now driving the car, which is all nice and clean. However, it has just been rained on, which kind of sucks. But I've still got the roof down, the sun is out, and I'm hoping that it remains out for the entirety of the show today. Hope in this country that the sun stays out. We never predict what the weather is. We must drive along with our fingers crossed, which can't be the safest way to hold a steering wheel. It's raining now. Luckily I've got a bit of tree cover, but right, and we are just approaching the circuit. There's some flags up, don't know why. Let's have a look at what's turned up. So normally I park within the paddock, within the supercars, but unfortunately after cleaning my car I'm in a public car park. But it's okay, I'm going to park next to a Noble. So welcome to the car park of the Goodwood Peter Sale Track Day, and this Noble M12 GTO that I have parked next to, he obviously didn't get in as well, so it must be pretty full inside. So this is a charity event and you can pay money to go around the Goodwood Motor Circuit in a supercar, and I can hear some of the cars on track at the moment. This is a very different atmosphere to some of the modified car events, especially due to the weather that we have been blessed with today. And behind these legendary walls is the paddock in which some of the cars will be parked up. A Pagani Zonda PS has just turned up. I've only just walked into the paddock and it's been followed by a Ferrari 812 Supercar. They're going down this way, let's have a look. There it is in all its glory, the 760 PS. And of course an 812 Superfast, a McLaren 720S Spider, and oh my god, it's the LaFerrari. Following that in is a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, looking epic in this colour scheme. A Ferrari 488 Pista, a Ferrari F12 TDF standing for Tour de France, a Lamborghini Urus in a matte green, a Mini Moke with random within the supercars, a Ferrari 458 Speciale. And take a look at this Chichester, proper track weapon this. And a 675 LT and a Ferrari F430. And here is a 911 Turbo S, followed by a Huracan Performante, one of Lamborghini's most ultimate cars at the moment for the track. Followed in by the legend that is the Ferrari 430 Scuderia. We've even got a gorgeous classic Corvette C2 who has turned up, but I reckon he is a bit too clean to go around the circuit. You see, that's what I like about events like this. These cars are actually used and taken on track rather than kept away in a garage and not driven. And though we had a bit of rain earlier, come rain or shine, they're still brought out on days like today. You can see a bit of evidence from the rain that was falling earlier. And it's not totally supercars. I mean, there's a Subaru here, but we've also got the likes of a Porsche Cayman GT4 Club Sport, but also a Golf GTI. But I think it's time to head to the pits to watch some of the cars start up and go out for their track session. Take a closer look at this Pagani Zonda. Whilst you could do with a bit of a clean, that does not distract you from the epicness of this blue carbon bodywork on the 760PS. And the famous quad exhaust underneath this huge spoiler on the back. P standing for Peter Saywell, the organiser of the day today. But that was pretty much that for today. So a nice chilled atmosphere at today's Peter Saywell day. A very different atmosphere from some of the more modified meets. It's a lot less kind of hectic, I'd say. People can relax, everyone's friendly, everyone is having a good time, and definitely the sunshine helps. So I'm going to head home and probably going to have to clean my car again because it did get rained on the way down, but that is Britain for you, unfortunately. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check out the Turtle Wax website for all of the products that I have used in today's video and more. And check them out on YouTube. Subscribe to their YouTube channel for more videos. But that was me, Adam C, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.